All right. So,
Cute.
what are we going to do today?
Well, here I am. You can see that my hair is kind of, I don't know what my natural hair color would be called, like a
Kind of like a dirty blonde?
Dirty blonde.
Yeah.
I want to stick to that blonde.
Okay.
But I don't love how, like, bright and, I don't know, I'm like a flower child or something. This, like,
Gotcha.
bright blonde hair. I really want it to be, I want it to be blended to my natural color.
Okay.
And as it grows, it looks more natural than this
Gotcha.
difference. But I do like some definition, like this is...
Some dimension in there.
Yeah.
Where you still feel like you've got different colors going on.
Exactly.
Okay,
some
perfect.
personality, not just like blah one color.
Okay, let me grab some color swatches. I want to show you kind of the different color families.
Okay.
And then you can tell me from there what
Okay.
you like.
Perfect. You know, I just want to look, I guess, more womanly, more mature, not
Gotcha.
just so like beach blonde baby girl.
Right.
You know? There's a difference.
Yeah, for sure. See kind of how that...
Totally.
I think that's where your hair lives.
Okay. Like when I look at this, if I could just pick my natural hair, like what my hair would look like, I like
You feel like you
this.
live in that family.
I like this zone the most.
Perfect. So this would be kind of adding some of this into your hair.
Yeah.
Some kind of caramel pieces. You like that?
And I do like that color.
Awesome.
Yeah. Does
Perfect.
that go well with my roots?
I think so, yeah. I mean, and ultimately we're going to do, you know, a lot. It won't be one color. We'll do lots of different
course.
colors in there to really keep it super natural looking and leave you with lots of dimension. We're going to kind of just melt it all together to make it look really pretty.
Cool. And you're just kind of trying to see what zone I like.
Exactly.
the most.
Yes.
Okay.
Because once I know the zone that you want to live in, that kind of helps me to formulate the different colors.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I'm excited.
Me too.
That looks kind of cute style like this. Okay. It's got this push from the universe, like, hey, you've already been doing this in the background,
It's
just
time.
do it full time. Yeah, like try. And so now I've been doing like freelance modeling and acting, as well as signed with my agency for almost 2 years.
That's
Full
awesome.
time.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's so great.
Thank you.
Really, in my head, I just thought, you know, these aren't my people.
Yeah.
That's where my head went first, is these just aren't my people. And that's okay.
Right.
I found them.
Here they are.
And so, yeah, it was a journey. I have always wanted to do hair since I was a little boy.
Oh.
My mom said, I knew when you were like 2 that you were going to be a hairdresser, and I was like, why? And she said, if I wanted you to take a nap, I could just go, I'll let you play with my hair.
Oh.
And you would lay down. And I'm
How
like,
cute.
well, there you go.
Wow. That's awesome.
Yeah. So my mom's got some pictures of when she was done getting her hair done by me as a 2-year-old. And
She's like, this isn't the look, but thanks, babe.
it was super
Love
great.
you.
She would just get up and go, I love it so
It's
much.
great.
It's so beautiful,
It's beautiful.
honey. And I would go, oh my gosh. And literally, I just went through every, and my mom, so she had like an old box of hair things. Like sponge rollers and
right.
Velcro rollers and just weird stuff from when she was younger. And it was mind-boggling how many of those things I could put in her hair. It's like, let's just put all of them in.
Yeah, of course. In a child mind too, you're like, I'm gonna do all of this. That's
let's
so
just put
cute.
everything.
Yeah.
Scrunchies.
Put it all in.
All of it.
How fun and creative.
We definitely had a good time.
That's awesome.
Or I did. I don't care if she did or not.
Yeah, you're like, well, it's fine, Mom. You
You're
still love
beautiful.
me. Yeah. You look beautiful.
You're welcome. I did this for you.
Yeah. That's awesome. Is she in Georgia?
She is.
Oh, you miss her.
She's coming to visit me actually this week.
Exciting.
Yeah, she'll be here on Thursday.
That's awesome. Is she here for a while?
She's here for four days.
That's good.
Long enough that we'll hopefully not argue.
You'll still love each other when she leaves.
Because we have a tendency to do some arguing.
Are y'all very similar? Yeah.
And I don't think that I overly realized. I mean, I did, but not to the point where my partner was like, I'm only arguing with her because you are her.
Right? Y'all are the same person.
And he goes, like, the thing that you were complaining about that she does
is what you do and I complain about
it when you do it. And I'm
yeah.
like, do I really do that? And he goes, oh, you do.
You do.
You really do.
That is so funny. You're just like your mama. That's so sweet. Are you an only child?
I'm not. You would think.
Siblings, right? You're like, that's my girl though, and yeah, I have siblings.
I have an older and a younger brother.
Oh, all boys.
Yes, and not what she wanted at all.
Oh no.
She's like, I just want a little girl. Luckily, my little brother had all daughters.
Oh, thank God.
So she has granddaughters now, and she's quite happy.
Very, like,
Life
they're
is
spoiled.
set.
Yeah. It all came through. Like, it's all
like,
good.
if y'all can all just get away from me, these are my grandbabies.
Right? It's me and the girls. See y'all later. And you're like, Mom, hello.
What about me?
Yeah.
I talk to her a lot, so she's like a best friend to me for sure.
For sure.
And but I don't hold a candle to those girls.
To those babies.
Nothing.
That is so
I'm
funny.
like, why are you not answering me? I just called. And she goes, oh, on the phone with Catherine and Caroline.
Oh.
And I'm like, why do they always win? And she goes, they'll always win.
Oh.
They'll always win.
The little babies.
They're so adorable.
How old are they?
One is almost 2, and the other is almost 4, I think.
The best ages ever. Like, I wish they could just stay 2 and 4 forever.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young. Oh, baby, while we're young. the stars. We can sleep under the stars or hang out in hotel bars. Driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars. We can sleep under the stars. Baby, while we're young.
So cute in there.
Oh,
I love it in here. It's so awesome.
well, thank you.
Of course. And the color looks really pretty
Yay.
so far. It's hard to tell when it's wet, but. It looks really, really good. Ah, she looks like an adult. And don't have any crazy roots. And
Do you want to do a trim today as well?
if you don't mind.
Yes, I don't mind.
I'm like, you can see she needs it. If we're being truthful. Oh my gosh. Wow. How awesome. Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Wow. It's so natural looking.
I'm so glad that you like it.
I really do. It's kind of weird seeing myself like this, but
It looks really, really nice and natural on you.
yeah.
You're like, I mean, because it's like my color.
Because it's like who I am, really. It's all natural, Jen, but not really. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm shook.
Yes.
It's really perfect. I mean, you can't tell that it's colored. Well, to me.
Right.
Which I'm not a hairstylist, if you didn't know. But it looks natural.
I think so too.
Ooh. And it's not like brown or
Right.
brunette.
It's not like boring.
Yeah.
You don't have boring brown hair or anything.
Exactly. From blonde to boring.
That's all I ever wanted. Is there any way you can make
Right?
it super boring?
I just want to be really dull, not stand out at all.
That'd be perfect.
Oh, this is so much better. Yay! Oh, yes. Isn't she lovely?
Work it.
Yeah. I'm like, where's my Beyonce fan? Thank you. It's so good.
I'm glad you like it.
What do you think?
I love it.
Good.
I think it looks so good on you.
Thank you. Just more natural.
Yeah.
And still a unique color though. Like it's not blonde, it's not brown. It's interesting. Very cute. Yay. You did good.
You did good, boy.
Yeah, you did good, boy. I'm definitely going to be singing your praises on social media.
Awesome. I love praises.
You're like, yes, I'll share that. Cute.
Now you're welcome to get in there and play with it as much as you want.
Thank you.